Hello students, dear 8th class students, welcome to our math class. So, same exponents and powers, the fourth chapter continuation. Today we may complete the problems with chapter, only few problems left. So, let us continue, be ready. So, all of you open the textbooks, students, page number 95, all of you open the textbooks. Open the textbooks, 95 page number, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 we completed up to 3 bits. So 3rd, 5th bit. Charge of an electron is, write down that number. 0. How many zeros? How many zeros, students? How many zeros? 17 zeros. Students, so 3rd, 5th bit, charge of an electron is this. Write it in the standard form, because wherever you write this much big number, actually it is a small number, but lengthy number, lengthy. So this type of lengthy number, wherever you write, we can't write, we can't repeat this. So this should be written in the another form. That is called standard form. If a number is given like this, if you are writing a description of this number, suppose if you are repeating this in 2-3 places in your description, so if you are writing some description about this data, so every time writing this data is very difficult, so you cannot count zeros, so a lot of confusion. This should be changed into another form, so that is called a standard form. First, remove the decimal. 16 by, remove the decimal. After 1, how many zeros? Remove the decimal. 16 we write. How to remove the decimal? Same, 16 is written 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 digits, including this 1, 6. 19 digits, so 19 zeros. Because after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 digits, so 19 zeros. 16 by 10 to the power of 19. 10 to the power of 19. 16 into, take this into the numerator, 10 to the power of minus 19. But standard form means there should be decimal after 1 digit. If it is only 1 digit, it is okay. That is the answer. But if there are 2 digits, we have to keep the decimal after 1 digit. 16 can be written as 1.6 into what? This 10 to the power of minus 19 same. 16 can be written as 1.6 into how much, you tell? 16 can be written as 1.6 into how much? What I should write? Sangareddy, Ayyappa Society, Vemulavada. Tell 1.6 into how much? What I should write here? 16 can be written as 1.6 into 10. 1.6 into 10 is 16. After decimal, one digit. I am forcefully keeping the decimal here. If I am writing the decimal, after decimal, one digit means I have to write 10 here. So that's see here. 1.6 into 10. 1.6 is 16 by after decimal, one digit means 0. So 10 cancel 16. Bases are same in multiplication, powers are added. This is 1 plus, this power is 1 plus minus 19. So total how much? 1 minus 19 is minus 18 answer. After decimal there are 19 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 19 zeros, nothing but 10 to the power of 19. Take into the minus 10 to the power of minus 9. Up to here no problem. But there should be decimal here. I have to keep the decimal here. If I am writing the decimal, after decimal, before one digit I am writing the putting down decimal means you have to write 10. If you are putting the decimal before 2 digits, 100. Before 3 digits, 1000, like that. So this is 10 power 1. Base a power m into a power n. M plus n. Powers are added. 1 plus minus 19. So minus 8. Same way, all problems are same model. There is no difference. Everything is same. Do this. Change it into the standard form. Students, do it. All of you look at here. 16 by 1. First remove the decimal. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 4 zeros. Ten to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Take into the numerator. But this is not the standard form. There should be only one digit here. If it is only one digit, sublime. Here it is only one digit. One digit means it is as it is we write. But 2 digits, 3 digits means we have to keep the decimal immediately after one digit. So 1.6 we have to write. So 16, how to write 16 as 1.6? 16 and 1.6 are not same. 16 is different, 1.6 is different. I can't put the decimal here. So if I want decimal here, I have to multiply with 10. So that 10 into 1.6 is 60. After decimal, one digit. So If I am forcefully keeping the decimal here, means before one digit I am keeping the decimal, I have to write 10. Powers are added. 10 power, this is 1 plus, this is 1 plus minus 4. 1 plus minus 4 is minus 3. 16 can be written as 1.6 into 1.6 into 10. If you multiply these two, 16 only. Do that also. You try, students, you do it, and if it is a mistake, you can cancel, no problem. Do it. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. If you are removing the decimal, write only 5. After 1, put 6 zeros. Ten to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take into the numerator. When it is only one digit, it is a standard form. Standard form means a into 10 to the power of something. A means only one digit. If there are more digits, keep the decimal after one digit. Keep the decimal after one digit. If it is only one digit, even if you keep the decimal also, after one digit, 5.0. 5.0 is 5 only. If it is a one digit, as it is. If it is more than one digit, decimal should be after one digit. We have to change like this. That is only the confusion. If it is already one digit, means that is the answer. Fourth question. See here, there is a pack. 5 books. 1, 2, 5 books. Books. 5 sheets. 5 sheets. 5 books, 5 sheets. 5 books, 5 sheets. Each book is 20 mm. Each paper is 5 mm. Each book is 20 mm, 5 books. Each paper sheet is 5 mm. What is the total thickness? Total thickness of the pack. Write down. Each book thickness, write down. 20 mm. 5 books thickness. This is one book 20 mm, 2 books 40, 3 books 60, 4 books 80, 5 books 100. 20 into 5 books, 100 mm. Each book 20 mm. 5 books, total 20 into 5, 100 mm. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Each paper, same for the paper also. Five papers. Five papers. 5 into 16, 80. See here, I will tell how to multiply. First you multiply. 5 16s are 80. 5 into 16, 80. 5 into 0, 0, like this. So, decimal is before 3 digits. In the answer also decimal should be before 3 digits. See, decimal with decimal multiplication, you do normal multiplication only. 16 5s are 80. Decimal is where 1, 2, 3 digits decimal, no? 1, 2, 3 digits decimal. 16 into 5, 80. 16 5s are 80. Even 5 into 0, 0 also you can write. Or 1, 2, 3 digits decimal. So 80, one more 0 you keep and put the decimal. And when the 0 is in the after decimal, lastly if you write 0, there is no value for the 0. 80, if it is no decimal, 80 means it is a value. But after decimal, when the last number is 0, we don't write. 0.08 only we write. 16 5s are 80, but last number 0 we don't write. We can remove that 0. You write down here and next step remove it. It is meaningless. Last number should not be 0 after decimal. Just for your understanding, I wrote 16 5s are 80. But last after decimal, last number 0 means, so 1.20 means only it is 1.2. Not don't write 0 in the last. So total thickness of the bundle. This thickness is 100 mm. This thickness is 0.08. Total 100.08. Write down. Simple. Each book 20 mm. 5 books 20 into 5. Each sheet 5 mm. Each sheet 0. Each sheet is not 5 mm. 0.016 mm. And we have 5 sheets. So 0.016 into 5. So each sheet is 0.16 mm. How many 0.016 mm? How many sheets we have? 5 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as per the question. So multiply with 5. This is the answer. This papers plus books. Books is 100. Papers is 0.08. Add these two. So this is the answer. But answer should be converted into standard form. What is standard form? Just recollect what is standard form. Standard form. After decimal 2 digits, so write 100. I remove the decimal. First I removed the decimal. After decimal 2 digits means put 2 zeros. But I want decimal here. After 1 digit there should be decimal. Standard form 1 point. See how I am changing into standard form. First let us remove the decimal. After decimal 2 digits means 2 zeros. So I have to keep the decimal here. If I write the decimal here, after decimal how many digits I am keeping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. I want decimal here. After decimal I am keeping 5 zeros, means I have to write 5 zeros, so that 5 digits, 5 zeros. If you multiply these two, we will get this one. 2 zeros cancel. 2 zeros cancel, and how many zeros left? 3 zeros left. Right on. Whatever. 100.08, no? Three zeros, 8. 1 0 I wrote extra. Okay. 100.08. It is 100.08. So removing the decimal, I will write once again here. Removing the decimal, we will get 100. And I want to keep the decimal here. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros, 2 zeros cancel, and 2 zeros remains. So answer is 1.30. 2. Like this. I kept 1 0 extra, wrong. So only 100.08, that means only total 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. That's it. So this decimal model is over. Even for your practice, I will take one more class for explaining this type of decimal models, taking all examples and the concepts, because even by solving exercise problems also, still you may have some confusion. First let me complete that exercise, and after that one class I will give only this type of models. I will solve this type of models. Write down the fifth question, and it is simple, no decimals. Fifth question, let us complete it, and so that this exercise will be over. Question is find x. Find x. Now Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solution? If not, why justify your answer? So this is correct or wrong? True or false? True or false? True or false problems? Is it true or false? You have to tell. True or false? See here. Basic are same in multiplication, powers are added. See here formula. This is the formula we studied. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So simplify the left side. M plus, what is n? Minus 2. Right side same. What is the left side? X power minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 5. Right side minus 6. This is wrong. Wrong. A power m into a power n. A power m plus n. Minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 5. It is not minus 6. So this is wrong. Write down. Wrong. Next. You write afterwards. I will complete all this and you can do afterwards. See here. Bases are same. A power m by a power n is how much? A power m minus n. A power m by a power n, a power m minus n. A power m by a power n, a power m minus n. 3 minus 2. Right side x to the power of 4. How much? 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Right side x power 4. Is it true or false? False. You can write wrong or false same. So as per the question, let us write. In the question, is it do you agree with the solution? If not, why? Justify your argument. So we are explaining. This is false. Wrong answer. You can write false also. Wrong answer or false. Now, a power m whole power m formula is how much? When two powers are there, we have to multiply m into n. It is not 2 to the power of 3. Don't misunderstand. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. No. A power m whole power n is m into n. See the formula I gave. We applied this formula in many ways. So what is the left side? X power 2 into 3. M into n. How much? X power 6. A power m whole power n is m into n. 2 into 3. 6. But what is the right side? X power 8. Both are equal or not equal? They are not equal. False. See here. X power minus 2, if you make the power negative, a to the power of minus n is 1 by a power n. X power minus 2, 1 by x power 2. This is root x. Both are not equal. 1 by x square is different. Root x is different. This is false. Wrong. This is wrong. See here. When power is negative, we write in the denominator. This minus power is for 3 or for x? It is only for x, not for 3. 3 will be same. X power minus 1 will come because of negative power, x power plus 1. X power minus will come into the denominator, so that minus will become plus, x power plus 1. Right side 1 by 3x. Both are equal or wrong? Not equal. This is 3 by x, this is 1 by 3x. How they are equal? 3 is in the numerator, here 3 is in the denominator. Both are not equal. False. See here. X power minus 1 is minus, to make minus plus, you write in the denominator. X power plus 1. X power plus 1 is x. 3 by x, 1 by 3x. Both are not equal. False. But it is given that they are equal. So this statement is wrong. This is wrong because they are not equal. This is x power 6, x power 8. Will they equal? No. False. X power minus 5, x power minus 6. Are they equal? No. False. X power 1, x power 4. Are they equal? No. False. Like that. I completed all the 5 bits in this simple formula a power m into a power n, a power m plus n minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 5. But minus 6, so both are not equal, false. A power m by a power n, m minus n, 3 minus 2, 1, not equal. A power m whole power n, m into n, 2 into 3, 6, this is 8, both are not equal. X power minus means right in the denominator, x power minus 2 will become plus 2, these two are not equal. X power minus 1 will become x power plus 1 if you write in the denominator. This is x is same, but 3 is here, numerator, 3 is in the denominator, so they are not equal, false. Simple procedure. So complete this chapter. Chapter is completed, but I will take one more class only to explain the decimal models, because I hope some students are not able to understand. I will give my own examples to explain the decimal problems. Students, just wait.